Hi, I need to replace the water pressure sensor in my Navien CH-240 combi boiler. I know how to drain the system, replace the sensor, and refill, but I'm not clear on purging the system of air, or if it's even required at all. Also, I understand it may be as simple as using the valve at the top of the clear vinyl tube in the unit, but not sure exactly how that works either.
The tankless boiler does not need to be fully drained. However, to save yourself a small mess, I would drain the unit from the descale ports above the shutoff valves. Once you turn the water off, let the water drain from both the hot and cold ports. That is what we do when we work on tankless water heaters. Good luck.
Thanks. I'm clear on draining, but after I drain, replace the sensor, and refill, do I need to worry about air in the system and purging the air?
When the repair is complete, you can run some water out through the hot port to purge any air in the system. Good luck.
The specifics of that is what I need help with. I'm not totally grasping the inflows/outflows to the system with the loop and all. See the image attached, 0194. How would I want to set those valves to let air out, as you suggest? Thanks.
Once the repair is complete, open the port that is facing forward on the hot side. Connect a hose to the port and run into a bucket or sink. Open the cold water inlet valve and turn the unit on. Open the red handle for the hot port, not the yellow handle for the hot water outline. Water should flow through the hose. After the air is purged, close the red valve, remove the hose and replace the cap. Then turn the cold valve on, followed by the hot valve. I hope this information was valuable. Good luck.
Great, thanks. One last question. In picture 0193, I should open the red valves that are now closed, horizontal, going to the two zones once the boiler is back up and running, correct?
Provided they were open before you started, be 100% that everything is working. Boiler valves and zones can be funky. You want to return the system to the pre-repair status. Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.